Hi guys, this is Umar speaking, and today guys I'm going to talk about the Arabic language and explain the types of Arabic we have. Okay, so if you are just starting in Arabic or you are about to book a course online or in a classroom, or you're kind of confused which dialect you should learn, then this video is going to be very important for you and it's going to clarify to you all the things you need to know about the Arabic language. Tamam? Now, in Arabic language, we have two types of Arabic, or you can call it two branches. Okay? The first branch is modern standard Arabic, or you can call it classical Arabic. And the second branch is spoken Arabic dialects. Okay? Now, let's talk about modern standard Arabic. Now, modern standard Arabic is mainly used when it comes to read the Quran or read the newspaper or read books like, for example, literature books, or give a presentation at work, or read like legal documents, so something like that. Okay? Now, spoken Arabic dialects are mainly used for communications. So, to communicate with family, with friends, to travel to the Middle East, so just to basically communicate in everyday life situation. Okay? So, if your goal was to speak and to communicate with Arabs and to travel to the Middle East and to just basically have kind of like a casual conversation and also understand the culture of that country, then spoken Arabic dialects is your best choice. Now, if you want to read the newspaper, if you want to read the Quran, if your goal was to actually master that area, then you should go for modern standard Arabic. Now, in spoken Arabic dialects, we have three standard dialects, and all you need to do to focus on one dialect from these three, and that's it. And you will understand the rest easily. And the three main dialects we have are Levantine Arabic, which is spoken in Syria, Lebanon, Jordan, and Palestine. And then we have Gulf Arabic, which is spoken in the Gulf region and Saudi Arabia and Iraq as well. And then we have Egyptian Arabic, which is spoken in Egypt. Okay? So again, you just need to focus on one dialect, master it, and you will understand the rest easily. It's like you are from London and you met somebody from Australia, for example. Okay? Some of you might ask me about what about the Moroccan dialects. Now, the Moroccan dialects, it's considered an Arabic dialect, but unfortunately, it's not 100% Arabic because it has lots of French vocabulary, so it's not really clear Arabic. So, you can only learn Moroccan Arabic. I recommend you to only learn Moroccan Arabic dialect if you are willing, if you're going to go and work in Morocco or in North Africa. But if you want to travel to the Middle East, like in general, then pick one of the three main dialects. Okay? I hope guys that was useful, and until next time.